Hey, what's up, Puddin'? Today I went by the diner, and you know what? Sal wasn't even there to make my egg sandwich. I was like, what am I gonna do? I guess I'm gonna have to make that at home. So the first thing that I have going on here is my bacon, right? I went ahead and I fried it up, and it's all sizzly and delicious, and I took it off. I'm gonna go ahead and heat it up some more though, and I'm gonna put my buns right over there to the side. You like it when I toast my buns, don't you, Sal? I'm gonna put those right on there, right? And after we get our heater nice and heated up, I'm gonna go ahead and add my eggs. All right, Puddin', now we have our ciabatta on the grill, right? And we have our bacon done, so I'm gonna go ahead and crack our eggs, right? These are going onto the grill. Oh, they look so good. Sorry if I Kevin Costner my accent, but I'm not actually from Gotham. I'm from Phoenix, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and fry these up though, and just let them sit there until they get all beautiful. And we're gonna add some American cheese on there. Ooh, look at that melting. I wanna taste the cheese. Ready? Just give it a little scoop. Oh, right on your buns. Looks so good, doesn't it? Some bacon. It's such a lovely accent though, really. I dropped my bacon. Did you see me dropping my bacon? Put some bacon on it. Ooh, do you like that bacon? Alicia, your accent sucks. I'm gonna add it onto my plate now though. Ah, how about that accent? Ah. And then just a dash of hot sauce. Not too much salt. I want to taste the cheese. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut this in half. Right? So there is my gorgeous, I said it, bacon, egg, and delicious cheese sandwich. And I'm going to go ahead and get that bite that Holly never got to. It was worth the chase. Thanks, Sal, for your delicious recipe. I love you. Baby, I'm going to bring that 75 cents by. Don't even worry about it.